She's spunky, she's smart.
Emmett Doolin was diagnosed with brain cancer just days after she was born. She had chemo at 3 weeks, but soon joined a clinical trial at the BC Children's Hospital, a treatment targeting her type of tumor.
It's been the best thing that's ever happened to her. As much as these kids are resilient, with all the harsh side effects from chemo, I don't think she would have lasted this long.
Clinical trials can be a last hope for some children with hard-to-treat cancers. But Canadian researchers say funding and policy changes in the U.S. have forced at least 5 clinical trials in Canada to stop enrollment. The Trump administration is not renewing funding for the Pediatric Brain Tumor Consortium. It doesn't affect Emmett's trial, but Toronto's SickKids Hospital had to stop enrolling new patients in 3 clinical trials.
They're some of the most promising therapies for children with those particular diseases. And there are really not studies of equivalent promise that we have access to.
The U.S. National Institutes of Health says it's moving the group's work to a broader network to align resources and strengthen pediatric brain tumor research. It says it plans to find ways for Canadian institutions to enroll in clinical trials in the future. But that network has halted funding for trials outside the U.S., including trials in Canada. While the number of children affected is small, it's still a big loss, says this pediatric neurosurgeon.
We actually had 2 patients recently who had difficult-to-treat treatment-refractory brain cancers who could have been eligible for one of those trials, but now those trials have been closed.
She and other experts say the Canadian government needs to build capacity to do more clinical trials here. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.